In a surprising reversal that's rattling crypto markets, Strategy, long known as the most aggressive corporate buyer of Bitcoin, has paused new Bitcoin purchases, signaling a sudden move into defense after years of all-in accumulation. For investors, the shift is jarring. Strategy built its modern identity on relentless Bitcoin buying, turning the asset into its core treasury strategy and inspiring other companies to follow. That playbook now appears to be on hold. While the company has not announced an outright exit, the absence of fresh purchases marks a clear change in posture. Analysts point to a mix of pressures: tighter financial conditions, heightened market volatility, and growing scrutiny around leverage and balance sheet risk. In short, preservation may now be taking precedence over expansion. The timing matters. Bitcoin has become increasingly sensitive to macro signals, interest rate expectations, liquidity conditions, and risk appetite. When the most visible corporate buyer steps back, markets tend to notice. Even without selling, not buying removes a powerful source of demand that traders had come to rely on. The implications extend beyond one company. Strategy's pause raises uncomfortable questions for the broader crypto ecosystem. If the loudest corporate bull is turning cautious, who steps in to absorb supply? And what happens to sentiment if other firms quietly follow the same defensive path? Supporters argue this could be a temporary tactical pause rather than a philosophical retreat. Detractors see it as a warning sign that balance sheet stress is finally colliding with Bitcoin maximalism. Bottom line, Strategy built its reputation by buying Bitcoin through every dip. Choosing restraint now is a major signal, one that suggests the era of unconditional corporate Bitcoin accumulation may be entering a more cautious, risk-aware phase.